Hello everyone, let's start session. Look here and count animal toys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 animal toys. If you want to ask question related to numbers, how will you ask? You can ask with the help of how many. How many is used to ask or talk about how large a number or quantity is. For example, how many pencils do you have? Next, how many sisters do you have? So, today's topic is how many. Children, do you like poem? Yes, good. So, let's start to recite the poem given in chapter. I am little Teddy, short and fat. I am little Teddy, short and fat. Look at my face and my 2 bright heads. Look at my face and my 2 bright heads. I have a nice big smile. I have a nice big smile and a big nose. And a big nose. And big brown shoes covering my toes. And big brown shoes covering my toes. In this poem, Teddy is describing about himself. I am little Teddy, short and fat. In first line, he says that he is little Teddy and his height is short. Students, tell me, what is opposite of short? Tall. For example, giraffe is tallest animal in the world. Giraffe is tall compared to other animals. Now tell me, what is opposite of fat? Thin. Can you see this picture? Who is fat in this picture? Motu. And who is thin in this picture? Patlu. So, thin is opposite of fat. Now next line. Look at my face and my 2 bright heads. In this picture, how many heads does Daddy have? 1 on his head, 1 in his hand. 1, 2. There are 2 heads. Students, there is a difference between cap and hat. This is hat, this is cap. Now next line. I have a nice big smile and big nose. In this picture, Teddy has nice big smile and big nose. What is spelling of nose? N-O-S-E, nose. Now, last line. And big brown shoes covering my toes. You can see in this picture, Teddy has worn big brown shoes, which covering his toes. Now students, you must be thinking, what is toes? We all have fingers in our hand. In the same way, we have toes in feet. You can see in this picture. Let's read chapter number 2. How many? He is Amit. She is Reena. They are talking to each other. Reena asked, "What is this?" Amit replied, "It is a box." You can see box in this picture. Reena says, "There are 2 sweets in the box." After eating one sweet, Amit says, "Now there is 1 sweet." Now move ahead. She is Anita. He is Raja. They are standing near the tree. Raja asked, "What is this?" Anita replied, "It is a tree." Raja says, "I see one monkey." Anita see 3 apples. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 apples on the tree. Raja says, "There are 3 birds on the tree." 1, 2, 3. There are 3 birds. Anita claps loudly. 2 birds fly away. Anita says, "Now there is one." Only 1 bird left. So students, in this chapter we have learned names of persons. For example, Reena, Amit, Raja, Anita. Names of animal, monkey. Names of things, for example, box, sweet, tree.